Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your GoHighLevel account, which I have right here. I've already added my logo, and now I'm adding a white label domain. This is so that you can have your customers log in to say app.yourdomainname.com instead of going to like GoHighLevel app.gohighlevel.com. You want it, you don't want your customers to see anything with GoHighLevel. So I've set up an app which is going to go to app.seansjunkremoval.com. So I need to go to my domain host where I have it hosted right here. There's the domain name I'm using, Sean's Junk Removal. We're going to go to Manage, and then we're going to go to Advanced DNS and set up the app dot. So we're going to set up a CNAME record. It's going to be app, and then the target is this right here. Required value. I already set up the app. It was a CNAME record, so we're going to copy that. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to paste that in there, and then we're going to check the check mark to approve it. There, we have set that up. It'll take just a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and try verify records now. Like I said, it could take anywhere from a minute to 5 minutes. It just depends on your registrar. I like domain. Okay, couldn't find it. Okay, so it hasn't propagated yet. We'll try it one more time. If not, we'll move on to the next thing. There it goes. That is done. Let's see. We're going to try to configure. I've never done the API domain. So let's see. I'm setting this up for one of my businesses, which is a junk removal business. Yeah, only subdomains are allowed. So we'll just put API dot Sean's junk removal, add domain. We're going to continue setting that one up. Okay, we need to do the same thing. So we're going to do a CNAME with API, and we're going to copy that. So we're going to go back over here, add new record, CNAME, API, paste that in, and check. Okay, so that is done. We'll come back over here. We'll try and verify. I doubt it'll be ready the first time around, but it doesn't hurt to check. It has gone through, so we are good. Enabling Google login will allow others with option login. No, we're not going to do that. I'm not going to set the policy yet in terms of condition. I still have to do those out. So I've selected the dark theme. We're going to save changes. All right, so we are set up with the white label. Let's go back over here to basic details. We're going to change this to Sean's junk. Oops. Junk removal. Just to keep everything in order. Company website. Sean's junk removal.com. Okay, I just want the domain, I guess. There we go. Home services. Don't know if they're going to have mine in here. May go with commercial cleaning service because that's what we do. We pick up a contractor. We'll just go with contractor. just save that. Okay, you go in and put your address in. Mine's already in there. Time zone. American Chicago. There it is. Save that. And I do want to do all these. I don't purchase domains, but we'll just leave it like that. Okay, and then we're going to go to My Profile. Select a profile image. Okay, we have that set up, all that. Update profile. Don't need to worry about that. I'm not going to set this set up two-factor authentication yet. Go to team. Got mine in there. Billing should be set up. Phone integration. You're rebilling telephones. I'll set that up later. Okay, we're set up there. We are going to set up a domain, so we're going to do lc.seansjunkremoval.com. Add and verify. We're going to need to set up again. Same thing we did a while ago. Got a bunch to set up. So we'll start with the first one. It's going to be a text LC, and we're going to copy that. So we're going to go back over here, add record, text, LC. Oops. Let me just check. Yeah, LC. And do that one. Okay, so we're going to come back over here and do the next one. Text there, so I'm going to have to come back. Now let's go get the value, which is this one. Set that up. Okay, let's go back and get the next record. cname, mailgun, okay. cname. Let's get the other record. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. MX record, LC, I can remember that. All right. Where is the MX? I didn't see it. I will need to look into this and find out. Custom MX, okay. No, this was LC. I think it's 10. Well, I hope I was right on that. Yeah, LC. And then I'm going to do a KC Malgun. Okay. MXLC. Okay. Wait for this to finish. Add new record. LC MXB 10. Save. Okay, yeah, MXAB and MXA and then MXB. Okay, so we've done all those records. Let's delete that one because I didn't need it. Let's come over here and verify. Okay, so everything is verified except for the DMARC. I did set that up right, dmarc.lc. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. No, wait, it's over here. Okay, why do I not have that one? The text. Copy. It's going to be a text record. Oh, DMARC, okay. And now we need to get the value, which is this. Copy. Apply. That's set up. So let's verify domains. And we are done. So we got that dedicated domain. And I'm not going to buy any system emails. I don't. Okay, you can figure those. We'll do those later. All right, well, that is the basic settings for your GoHighLevel account. I've added the logo, I've set up the API domain, set up the white label, set up the email services. I need to go back and check the phone. Create and load a snapshot, use snapshots to create, set up new sub account. Well, we'll worry about that later. So that is going to be it for this video.